Alright, I'm going to make a quick video that shows you how to format your Google Doc into proper MLA formatting. So you notice here, I just have a sample paragraph thrown in here. I've got some stuff written here already. So in the top left, you're going to type your name, then my name or your teacher's name, then English 10 CP. Obviously, change that if you're not in this class. And then finally your date. Your date has to be in this format, so 5 January 2017, alright, that's the due date for that. Alright. You're also going to want to double space it. So I think it's the easiest if you just take everything that you have in there, and then you're going to go up here to this line spacing button, click that, and then click double. Alright, so you'll notice that I don't have any extra spaces between the date and the title, so just one enter, and then I have no extra spaces between the title and the first body paragraph. Alright, you'll also notice that my little placeholder title here is the same size and font as the rest of the essay. So it's not larger, it's not in bold, it's not underlined. The only time you'll have any formatting here is if you have your novel title, which will go in italics. Alright, so the only thing that we're really missing thus far is our header with our last name and page number. So you're going to go up here to the insert button, and you're going to go to header. Nope, just kidding. You're going to go to page number, sorry. And then you're going to click this one, which shows little numbers in the top right. So if you click on that, you'll notice it's going to give you a page number. So obviously you don't have your last name. So what you want to do then is you want to use your arrow keys to hit left once. Alright, then you're going to type your last name, and then you're going to press the space bar, and that's going to put your last name here, and it's also going to give you this page here, which will change automatically as you add more pages. Alright, you have the option to do this different first page, header, and footer. You don't want to do that for this essay. Alright, so just leave whatever your last name is here with a space and then the page number. You want to make sure that this font is the same as the font down here. If they don't match, you're going to lose points. After you are done all of this formatting here, you want to make sure that your works cited corrected. So if I suggested any comments for that, you want to make sure that you corrected any of that stuff. So go back and take a look at my comments. Then you're going to take your works cited and you're just going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it at the end of your essay. So obviously this is only one paragraph. Yours should be about 3 full pages. So you're going to get yourself all the way down to a new page break, and you're going to paste that works cited in there. You'll notice here that this automatically changed to 2. When you type your last name, that will be there as well. If you have not removed the highlighting that I provided for you, the easiest way to do that is to just highlight your whole works cited here, and then you go up here to this button and you click the highlight button, and then you click none, and it's going to remove all of that highlighting which I told you to remove. Again, you want to make sure that whatever font all of this stuff is the same as the font for the rest of your paper. Alright, so you got your MLA header in the top left, you have your last name and page number in the top right, you've got your title, which is the same font and formatting as the rest of it. Make sure you've got your paragraph indents. You don't want any extra spaces, so if I were to type a new paragraph, I would just continue down. So I wouldn't want any extra space between paragraphs. If it's giving you extra spaces, then ask me how to get rid of those and I can show you. Alright, so your page here, I've got a little extra space in there, so I want to get rid of that. So your page here for your works cited should read your last name 4, because you're going to have your intro, your 3 body paragraphs, your conclusion. That's going to be about 3 full pages, and then you want to enter down until you get a new page break, and you want to put the works cited on the very last page. Alright, so you also notice works cited here is not bolded, it's not larger font, it's not italicized. So just like we did on the one that you did earlier, make sure you've made all corrections, make sure your hanging indents are solid, make sure you edited any punctuation errors, and then you should be good to go.